Life after suicide. Living with loss. Losing someone to suicide often leaves a painful void of grief, confusion, and unanswered questions. The pain can feel unbearable, but healing will come. First, allow yourself to grieve. There's no right way or timeline for mourning. Your emotions may range from sadness to anger, guilt, or even relief that their suffering has ended. All feelings are okay and valid. Let yourself feel what you feel. It's part of the healing process. Stay connected. Talking to friends, family, and health professionals is necessary. You may need to talk things through many times. Support groups of people who have similar experiences can be beneficial. And if you're not ready to talk, maybe keep a journal where you write down your thoughts and feelings. Shield yourself from unhelpful advice. Because of a lack of understanding, stigma, myths, cultural or religious beliefs, people may say things that are not empathetic, wise, or true. Feel free to distance yourself from words and people who are not supportive. Don't blame yourself. Suicide is complex. You and others weren't in control. It's natural to replay memories, wondering what you could have done differently, but you probably did the best you could with the knowledge and understanding you had at the time. Find ways to honor their life and memory. Your loved one was more than their suicide. Find ways to remember the other things about them. Write a letter, create a photo album, donate to a charity in their name, or use your loss to help others who are struggling. This may bring comfort and a sense of connection. If the pain feels too heavy, seek professional help. Some may experience prolonged or complicated grief after such a tragic loss, with persistent, intense, and debilitating feelings that interfere with daily life. Mental health professionals and support groups can provide tools to navigate your emotions and work through the trauma. Healing takes time. Grief may come to you in unpredictable waves for a long time, but eventually they become gentler and less frequent. When the grief comes, welcome it. And when you are ready to focus on something else, let it go. Allow yourself happiness and joy. It's okay to laugh again, to enjoy things, to feel happiness, and even forget for a moment. This doesn't mean you've stopped loving the person you lost. It means you are healing. Loss and grief are part of life. And while the loss may always be with you, it can also inspire a deeper appreciation for life. Healing doesn't mean forgetting. It means living with love, purpose, and the strength to go on. For more videos and articles on mental health, visit our website, reminded.org.